In this video, I'll talk about some important methods in Pandas. So let me import the libraries, import Pandas as PD. Okay, import NumPy as NP. Okay, now here we go. Now I wanted to construct a series here. Let me just say S is equal to PD dot series. Okay, and wanted to pass the list of values 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, it's dictionary, right? Let me pass the list here in the series 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I also wanted to use the indexes here, saying that index is equal to A, B, C, C, and D. Make sure that the values here and the indexes should get matched. Otherwise, we'll get let me just say this is S. Okay, otherwise we'll get an error. Okay, so let us have another letter. Let's see what we will get here. See, we have got error because it is saying that the length of past values is 4, index implies 5. It is mismatching with the values here and here. So there should be some equal amount of values in both. Then only we'll get the correct output like this. Okay. Now I wanted to retrieve the index A. So I'll get the number 1 here. Now in this case, what I would like to do here is I wanted to use the reindex method. Reindex method will be like, you can just use it if you're putting the unknown. Suppose we don't have E here, right? Earlier when we have executed E, we got an error, but by using reindexing we can just initiate E. Let's see what we will get here. So this time I just wanted to use a variable s2. Now here we have S series. Okay, and here I wanted to use the reindex method. Okay, reindex method, and close the brackets, open the list. So here I wanted to copy all this. Okay, I wanted to copy all this. Here what I wanted to do here, I wanted to just jumble here and there. B, D, I wanted to shuffle everything here. A, okay, A. Let's say that this time we have C. Okay, C in the list. Let's see what we'll get. Now I will execute S2. You can see it here, not a null value. So whenever you are entering some other index in reindex, it will not give any error. It will show some not a null, right? Now let's talk about something else again here. Let me construct uh, let me construct another series here. Let's say which is equal to S3. Now I just wanted to use PD dot and yes and tab. I'll get series here. Okay, now I'll just enclose this brackets, open the list here inside. Let's say blue. We have some colors. Okay, blue, and then yellow, and then we have purple. Okay, and then let me just write here because we also need to assign some indexes here. Okay, index is equal to 0 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, now when I execute this s3, now I have just got the columns blue, right, yellow, and right with respect to the indexes 0, 2, and 4, right? This time I just wanted to use, you can use a lot of things in the reindex. Okay, this time I just wanted to use s3. Okay, s3 the series, and use a method called reindex, and then wanted to enclose the bracket. This time I just wanted to use a range within reindex. Okay, here I wanted to give some some 6 numbers, okay, in the indexes, and These six indexes will be filling by a method called ffill by a method called ffill. Now we can observe something here, like we haven't assigned anything for one, right? Then it's supposed to take blue. We haven't assigned anything for yellow. It will be taking yellow. Now we have not assigned anything for 5 and 6. It must be taking purple. Let's see what we'll get here. See what we have got here. What we have got here is it just filled those with the colors blue. Suppose if we are giving index, let us say we have given 8 here. So whatever that comes after 4, it will show as, it will be filled by purple. So this method ffill will be used for that. Okay, so that is it from here. And now what I would like to do here is I wanted to just copy a simple data frame directly, because I just wanted to save some time here. Okay, let's say this is what our data frame here looks like. So here what I did here is I just initiated I have just initiated nine values from starting from 0 to 8. It just supposed to give 0 to 8 values, because that's how this arrange we can use in that way. And we are saying that 0 to 8 values of numbers will be in a matrix of 3 by 3, and this 3 by 3 will have an index is like ABC. On the rows you can see this ABACD, and in the columns you can see Tim, Tom and Kate. Okay, let's see what we'll get here. Like we have discussed, we have got the same thing. So we have got the numbers from 0 to 8 here. We have got the numbers from 0 to 8. Okay, and Tim, Tom in the columns and ACD in the rows. Now similarly, if we wanted to re-index here, let me initiate df2 here. Okay, let's say that variable df dot reindex. Let me just take tab here. Now I just wanted to close, open the list. Let's say this time I wanted to shuffle d, which is there here. Okay, it will show it in the top. Okay, top d comma c and b and a. Let's observe what we get for df2 here. See, you can look here. We have got shifted the row D onto the top, because we have made it in a order here. D and then C and then B. We don't have any values in the B, so we are getting NaN, and finally we are getting A here. Okay, so this is it here. And now what I wanted to do here is, let me just uh, let me just take something here. Let me just take something, or well, I'll talk few more things in our next video. All right, thank you.